You know that on Fight Back, we always try to help you look out for yourself and get your money's worth. Now, for example, we're going to show you how for $10 in Baltimore, $13 in Detroit and Chicago, $15 in Dallas, $5 in Seattle, and $2 in Los Angeles, you can maintain your self-respect and get what you deserve at the same time.
If you're plaintiff and you lose your case, you cannot appeal. If you're a defendant and you lose your case, you can appeal your case in the Superior Court.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Small Claims Court. Let's start calling our cases. The first case we have this morning is Jane Heard versus System Auto Parts. Would you please come forward?
This is the best bargain in the American justice system. Small Claims Court, also known as the People's Court. Our Fight Back tele-remote crew got special permission to show you how you can fight back and win by using the system. This Small Claims Court in Los Angeles is the busiest in the United States. It handles more than 35,000 cases a year. And anyone can file in Small Claims Court. In this court, it just costs $2 to bring your case in. What do you file for? Your mechanic didn't fix your car right. Take him or her to court. The neighbor knocked down your fence and won't pay. Take him to court. If you're prepared, you can fight back and win.
I was parking in the Broadway Plaza, which is operated by System Auto Parts Incorporated. And the Broadway has an automatic ticket dispensing machine for parking. This particular day, however, it was broken.
The only reason that the spitter would be open like that would be the fact that either the ribbon was broken or a ticket was jammed up in there, and they would be using the manual on it.
I see.
But there would be a man there, and he would put a cone out so that the cars would go around it.
Remember, in most states, you cannot bring a lawyer to represent you in Small Claims Court. You have to fight your own battle. Now, that can be fun to prepare your own case, but you must be prepared.
Do you have a repair bill?
I have 4 estimates.
Would you give that to the marshal?
If you have witnesses, bring them to court. If you have pictures or police reports, any supporting documents, bring them with you. But don't exaggerate your claims and know your side of the story thoroughly.
The attendant was standing next to the machine, dispensing tickets manually, sort of holding the top of that metal ticket dispensing machine with his elbow.
Okay. And how does your car then come in contact with the machine?
I pulled up next to the attendant. He handed me a ticket. As he handed me a ticket, the machine fell.
Oh, the machine fell over. I see.
Yes.
Well, that liability would seem clear, Mr. Morgan. If a machine falls on a person's car, it would appear the liability would be clear. Mrs. Heard seems like a very sincere person, and I'm going to allow the lowest estimate, $322.20. So there'll be judgment for the plaintiff in that behalf, sir. Just see the clerk.
So is Small Claims Court worth your time and trouble? Let's hear from the people involved.
The major strength is that it's a safety valve of our democratic society. It gives people the right for an amount of $2 to be heard in court.
Well, it's about as good a way as we have. I don't know what other court you could go to involving such small claims, you know.
I'm jubilant. I'm very satisfied. I think it was a very just settlement, and I'm really happy about it.
Now, you have 2 chances of winning when you go to Small Claims Court. You win if the judge decides in your favor, and you win if your opponent doesn't show up. That's called default. But even if you win, you can have difficulty in collecting your money. Now, we've shown you how to win, and we're going to show you how to get your cash on an upcoming edition of Fight Back.